Kamati mar od bura mochung' weche mag pur kawuono dayo dho wuon kambi mar loso mbolea mar SBL Innovate Josiah Kariuki nomedo pako kambine kowacho ni ok owinjore otude kod wach mbolea mabandia miuso ne jopur. Wawinjane kaka chenro mar dayo dhoge dhi mbele.
Physical address is different from what was again given on 17/05/2023, which gives now the physical address at Changamwe mainland north, and even the physical address, postal address changes. So apart from products changing, also I think Innovate is also nomadic. It keeps on shifting from one place, including the postal address. You know, you can change the physical address, but the postal address also changes. So we need to know which SBL Innovate we are dealing with. Number two, you know, Mr. Kariuki has said he's a businessman. And being a businessman, it is okay to do business in Kenya, but it is wrong and immoral to take advantage of farmers, to take advantage of Kenyans who may not understand the scientific background, and again say every other question that the chair is asking, you refer him to KEBS. One, if I am a businessman and I'm going to the market, I first must understand the product that I'm selling. Then I will go to KEBS requesting for testing of a product that I personally have produced, have tested, and I have confidence in it, and then that's why I want to roll it to the market. So going to KEBS is not that KEBS is going to guide me on my product, but I'm going to ask KEBS, could you confirm that what I know is the truth? And Mr. Kariuki might not be a scientist, but I'm very sure he works with people in his office, because he does not go to, to mine. He doesn't go to do the mixing of these products to get the final product. But finally, he has a group of experts who would advise him, this is the process to follow, this is what to do, and so we have a good product that we think is going to be safe for the Kenyan farmers. I will be a bit not comfortable even giving the farmers he has come with here to address us, or even to give the evidence, because as it is now evident, there have been various products going out to the market. So which product did the farmers use vis-a-vis what the products might be? I don't even know whether he came with those products today. But my main concern, Chair, is here, and I want them to educate me. When you talk about soil amendment fertilizer and conditioner, then again you talk about organic fertilizer. I would want to know what is the difference between the two. Then there is silica-based fertilizer. That's a third product from the same person and operating almost under one license or one sample that was given. In the last one, Chair, when the silica name has appeared, I have seen a different brand name, which has not been mentioned here, because the first brand name that was given on 28/01/2023, that was SBL GPC Original. And the description of commodity, and this is a KEBS document, was organic fertilizer. And then on 17/05/2023, again, description is organic fertilizer, but the brand name, again, is SBL GPC Booster. So as we interview the farmers, as now we even interview Mr. Kariuki, which product are we talking about? And which product is in the market? And you cannot fake ignorance and say, yes, you're not a scientist, but KEBS, you are saying everything as KEB. Yeah, what did you promise? Because every time you have a product, you promise the people you are selling to, this is my promise to you. What did you promise the farmers or the people who are to buy, and what have you delivered?
Okay, something related. Thank you very much. You did sign a contract, an agreement with the National Cereals and Produce Board. Yes, Mr. Kariuki?
Yes, I did.
Which products did you sign the contract for?
There are like 3 products there.
3 products?
Yes.
And I have the contract here, and I would like to read the products for purposes of our understanding.
Sure.
The first product is called 51 Capital Animal Supplement.
Yes.
The second product is GPC Guard.
Yes.
The third product is diatomaceous.
Yes.
Now, which one did they distribute? Is it one or all?
They distribute diatomaceous. That's what they were distributing. That was the name.
But the supply price, and you have given the supply price for the products here, and given 3 products.
Yes, I did.
So they just they supply the diatomaceous.
Yes.
Now, diatomaceous is another new name now. What is diatomaceous?
Actually, diatomaceous is the same thing as when you're talking about silica, and when you're talking about that, include diatomaceous. Actually, you can even call it diatoms as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, Kariuki, the problem is that you are not a truthful person. You don't like truth. And when I confront you with the truth, you get annoyed. The fact is this. You said you're an entrepreneur, and that's perfect. You really are a good entrepreneur. You found some material there, which somebody has not thought about, packaged it, and gave it out in the market when you took a different product to KEBS to test and give you the license to proceed. That is the fact.
Actually, Chair.
Mana kamano